In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show 100 emails in your Gmail inbox in just 5 minutes. We'll go through each step to help you customize your Gmail inbox display settings. By following these instructions, you'll have a clear view of more emails without having to click through multiple pages. This can be particularly useful if you receive a lot of emails and want to manage them more efficiently. First, we need to navigate to Google, so open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL bar google.com. Press enter and that will bring up Google's homepage. Next, you'll want to sign into your Google account. In the top right corner of the page, you'll notice the sign in button. Click on this and it will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. Make sure to fill in your email and password accurately to access your account. Once you've signed in, you should find yourself back at the Google homepage. From here, locate the Gmail link in the top right corner next to the apps icon and click on it. This action will direct you straight into your Gmail account. After you have accessed your inbox, it's time to go to the Gmail dashboard. This is essentially your main email viewing area where your emails are displayed. It's from this dashboard that we can start modifying how many emails are visible per page. Now let's make our way to the settings. At the top right of your Gmail dashboard, you'll find a gear-shaped icon, which is the settings menu. Click on this icon, which will reveal a drop-down list. From this drop-down, you'll want to click on See All Settings to enter the full settings menu. Once inside the settings menu, locate the section labelled Maximum Page Size. This section controls how many emails are displayed on a single page of your inbox. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and you'll be presented with several options. Select 100 from this list. This will now configure your Gmail to show up to 100 emails per page. Before you finish up, make sure to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is an important step to ensure that the changes you've just made will take effect. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully adjusted your Gmail inbox settings to display up to 100 emails. This adjustment will hopefully make your email management more productive and a bit smoother. Remember, you can always come back to these settings if you wish to adjust the page size again in the future. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.